So if you're looking for a doctor and you're going to come to this website here, blueshieldca.com, right here in the upper right corner, find a doctor. Go ahead and click on that. We're going to be looking for doctors or primary care physicians, hospitals, dentists, whatever type you want. For this purpose, we'll just look at doctors. And are we a Blue Shield member? Even if you are, if you haven't registered yet, go ahead and hit no. Go ahead and put in your zip code. Hit continue here. Do you have a plan in mind? Yes, we do. This is where you have to know exactly what you're looking for. Do you have an individual and family PPO, HMO through Covered California? Let's just go with this one here. Look for the plan that you're going to be enrolled in. And there are lots of them, but these days the network tends to be pretty similar for most plans. You can either look for a specific doctor name, or you can look for a doctor type. If you discover that the other option might be lower in cost, like an HMO, and you want to check out which doctors are in that network, then you would click here, select a different plan, kind of start all over again. Once you're in here and you've searched for a specific type of doctor, it'll populate the results here, and you can also hit this 5 Mile or the Filter and Sort or the Thousand Oaks, and it will open up the Filter and Sort option here, same kind of thing. From there you can expand the radius, you can look for specifics, apply those filters, and you'll see the number of doctors has changed. That's about it for Blue Shield. If we jump over to Oscar, and that's HiOscar, HiOscar, just scroll all the way down to the bottom. Not all the way, but right here. Resources, search doctors and drugs. You're going to be just browsing. If you are an Oscar member, you should install the app on your phone. It makes things a lot easier. You're going to choose your region. You're going to choose if you're getting it with your employer or if you're buying it yourself. You're going to choose the Circle network or the Select network. Currently, the Circle network is much larger and includes UCLA, but you cannot get premium assistance through Covered California for this plan. Select network is a little bit tighter, but still great and growing all the time. Once you get that, you're going to go ahead and put in your zip code. Go ahead and type in what kind of doctor you want or hospital. So let's suppose you're just looking for primary care. We'll go ahead and type the word primary. Populates the results here. You got 2,132. You can reduce the parameters there and get a few less doctors, but still quite a few. And there's not a lot of going back and forth. If you use this cookie trail here, I think they call it the crumbs, you can go straight back to here, put in your zip code once again, and now you can look for a specific doctor all in the same place. Everything loads real fast, so it makes it pretty simple. And that's about it for searching providers. Thank you very much.